Alrighty everybody, welcome back to another episode. It's been a while. So yeah, I got this frame. It's a 12 GPU frame. I've been piling up parts. So I've got your two RX 580s, 8GB Red Devil models, and inside here is a 5600 XT. Now let's have a look at this board. So bought this from a supplier. Presentation, is this mounted on the, okay, this is mounted, but yeah, not really happy with the complete presentation as SSD wasn't installed. Looks like they've given me Molex. Oh yeah guys, this is a BT250 BioStar TV250. I've got some RAM inside here, looks like 8 gigabytes, and then they've given me HCG 850 watt. This is an Antec power supplies as gold. I will probably change these out for something with a little bit more power. And to find out, while I was looking, let me flip this around. I'm gonna flip this around and I'll be back now. Okay, so this is now flipped around. Look here, you can see here. Okay, cool. We've got nice little risers here. But look here, 6-pin to SATA. And there's one SATA and there's another SATA to 6-pin. Yeah, this isn't gonna fly. So presentation overall is, I'm not happy with how I got this. Okay, and then in terms of connection, let's see what they did here. So connecting the motherboards together, or the power supplies together, is done with this Molex power from the first GPU, from the first power supply going into the motherboard. So Molex powers this little board, which is connected to this 24-pin into this power supply, and that's how you, with one switch of the button on the motherboard, bam, powers on the entire system. I'm not seeing a power button. I wonder. It's probably inside here somewhere. But yeah, I'm not happy. And these obviously can be removed like that. Yeah, let's install some GPUs into the system. First, let's talk about, obviously you can see that these aren't, so the hole is too far. The hole is too far away from where the GPUs need to sit. The screws I had to go buy because I didn't know which screws, so obviously they're the wrong screws. Yeah, flopping about, fantastic. These cords aren't even straight. I'm so disappointed right now. Yeah, disappointment in my face. 5600 XT, 488 gig Radeon reference, Red Devil RX 580s, and two Strix 488 gigs. Done with the half final project. Half, okay. So TB250 BTC, this is only a 6 GPU motherboard. I'll be upgrading this soon to a 12 GPU motherboard soon. As you can see, 6 cards, 5600 XT, RX 580, RX 588 gig, VAGF, and that's a RX 488 gig, RX 488 Strix, and 488 gig Strix as well. Let's go to the rat's nest at the back here. Oh my gosh, this freaks me out. Okay, Antec HCG high current gamer, 850 watt. It's got three strands per GPU, so each PSU can only do 3 strands. It's saying here that it can do more. It says about 6. Yeah, I don't know. I'll be changing this over to a pause. So what I'll be doing is changing it to a Bitmain 1600 watt PSU. It's got 10 strands of 6 pins. I'm just waiting on the connectors. That's why I can't do this right now. But otherwise, it'll be 1 pin into the riser, and then the other will be split into 2 by 6 plus 8 pins. Yeah, or 6 plus 2 pins, sorry. So we will get that installed later on. Then I don't need to have to worry about this little connector which switches on this PSU for this one. Oh yeah, little vent, little there is no motherboard switch on here. The person that supplied me this lost the screw. I swear they lost everything. How the F am I supposed to switch this thing on? Yeah, I'm not happy with this product. Not happy at all. Alrighty guys, we are back. So what we are doing is trading in the 6 GPU motherboard for a 12 GPU motherboard. So what has happened is, obviously I ordered a 12 GPU frame and I was hoping to get a 12 GPU motherboard, but the supplier didn't do that. They gave me something else. As you can see, the hardware I'm using now is not adequate, but we're going to be swapping that out. And there's the rat nest of cables, which I will be updating. PSUs are going to be coming out, updating that with 1600 watt proper power supply with a standard 450 watt power supply for the motherboard. Gonna be getting that together, and yeah, next video we'll have the 12 GPU motherboard in. Let's go. Check you then. Boom, welcome back, and there it is, new motherboard installed. It is a colorful B250A BTC V21. Yeah, so what it actually has is 6 PCIe 1 slots, and then it's got another 6 USB. Let's try and wrap around here. 6 USB connectors. So all we need to do is just get more risers, plug them into these ports, and we are good to go. So with it being Hobbyist, all we need to do is just plug in and switch on. So here it is. Those are already switched on. I'm just going to go and push the button. There is no power. Okay, and we are back. Let's just plug in the front panel I/O. There we go. Motherboard has power, so let's switch it on. Booyah! We have power. All the lights are shining. Looks good. Looks good. Don't smell anything weird. I don't see anything burning. Okay, looks like the miner's starting up. We'll be back. Okay, we're rolling. First power on, let's go. Right, we're switching on. Everything has power. Okay, let's see how many devices there are. We are missing this one though. 7 GPUs, loading AMD. Okay, great. Ethernet should be plugged in, I don't see why it shouldn't be. Okay. Let's just get a refresher on Hobbyist. Like that. Go back in. Okay, hold on, something's not working. This is our current power consumption. We're sitting at 1,800 watts. 1004, 1010. Okay, let's go 1,810 watts. Cool.